Why is my OfferUp not getting any views? Have you ever wondered why your OfferUp listings are not getting the views you expected? You spend time posting your items, but they barely attract any attention. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're eager to make quick sales. But do not worry, you're not alone. The good news is there are specific reasons why your listing may be getting overlooked, and more importantly, actionable solutions to fix them. In this video, I'll explain why your OfferUp is not getting views by highlighting the common factors affecting your listing visibility on OfferUp, and provide actionable solutions to increase your views. First up, poor quality photos. The quality of your photos is the primary reason your OfferUp listings may not be receiving enough views. Visual appeal is crucial in attracting buyers online. Low resolution, blurry or poorly lit images do not capture attention, and potential buyers may simply scroll past your items. Ensure that your photos are clear, well lit, and showcase the item from multiple angles. If necessary, use a simple backdrop and natural light to enhance the appearance of your product. You should also avoid adding unnecessary filters that can mislead buyers about the item's true condition. On to the possible reason number 2, inaccurate or incomplete descriptions. Another major reason for low visibility is inaccurate or incomplete descriptions. When creating your listing, you should provide as much relevant information as possible. Clear descriptions increase the likelihood of buyers viewing and purchasing your item, including details such as size, color, condition, brand, and any other features that can set your item apart. Avoid being vague or omitting important details, as this can result in your item not appearing in searches or being considered by serious buyers. The third point could be a poor pricing strategy. Your pricing strategy also plays a significant role in determining whether your OfferUp listing attracts views. If your price is too high, well, buyers may skip your item in favor of more competitively priced alternatives. On the other hand, setting your price too low may cause buyers to suspect that something's wrong with the product. To avoid these issues though, research the market and compare prices for similar items in your area. This will help you set a reasonable and appealing price that can draw attention to your listing. The fourth reason could be incorrect category or tags. The way you categorize and tag your items can impact how often they appear in relevant searches. Mislabeling your product or selecting the wrong category can drastically reduce your visibility. Take the time to choose the most appropriate category for your item and use tags that accurately reflect what you're selling. This ensures that your listing reaches the right audience. Additionally, by the way, monitor popular keywords associated with your product and integrate them into your title and description to enhance your listing's visibility. Moving on to the next reason, it could be limited or inconsistent activity. Inactivity on OfferUp can also contribute to a decrease in views. Your items may appear further down in search results if you don't regularly update them or engage with potential buyers. Make sure to refresh your listings by editing and reposting them periodically. Engaging consistently with the platform can indicate to OfferUp's algorithm that you are an active seller, thereby enhancing your visibility. You can also try offering promotions or discounts to encourage more interest in your items. The next reason could be a lack of reviews or low seller ratings. So, lastly, your seller reputation can affect the number of views your listings receive. Buyers are more likely to trust and view listings from sellers with high ratings and positive reviews. Starting out or with low ratings may reduce views as buyers hesitate to engage with you. To improve your ratings, make sure to communicate promptly with buyers. Ship items quickly and accurately describe your products. Encourage satisfied buyers to leave positive reviews to boost your credibility on the platform. Conclusion. So, in conclusion, there are several reasons why your OfferUp listings may not be getting the attention they deserve, including poor quality photos, incomplete descriptions, improper pricing, incorrect tags, and a lack of seller activity. By addressing these issues and refining your approach, you can significantly increase your visibility and attract more potential buyers. Remember that consistent effort and attention to detail are key to success on OfferUp. Start making these adjustments today and watch as your views begin to climb.